It's an electric scooter. I wasn't expecting it to show up so quickly. They just sent me the FedEx tracking yesterday and I hadn't even checked it yet. But here it is. Here is a Varla Eagle One electric scooter. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Varla Eagle One electric scooter with suspension and dual electric motors. I just tried to pick it up and carry it over here. It is heavy, so some big batteries in there or something. 92.5 pounds. 52 volt. VarlaScooter.com is their website. Thank you, Varla, for sending me your Eagle One to test out. Alright, well, it is charging. I don't know, I'm going to give it about 2 hours and come check it again. Hopefully it's all done charging by then and I can go for a ride. So the Varla Eagle one is awesome. I have to say I am shocked at how fun this thing was. I had no idea how much fun this thing was going to be until I took it for a ride. It's also a lot more powerful. Guys, be careful if you do buy one of these things. Wear a helmet and protective gear. Definitely be careful and start out in first gear in eco mode. Before you go into turbo mode and double motor mode, make sure you get the hang of this thing and you know where the brakes are, because it is fast. It does get up and move. I think the top speed I got mine up to was about 35 miles an hour. It does say on the box it'll go up to 40 miles an hour. Probably with a lighter rider behind the bars, it might get up to that 40 miles an hour. But in third gear, with turbo mode engaged and both motors turned on, man, this thing cooks along. That's about as fast as I need to go on a little electric scooter. So thank you, Varla, the blast. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed making this video. I really enjoyed taking this thing for a ride. Thank you, Varla, for sending out the Eagle one. What an awesome little electric scooter this thing is.